Hello again, my precious. Today's Friday and this is new video on my channel. I hope it will be useful for you. So let's not waste our time and let's start. Питальні слова. Question words. Or you can hear another variant. Питальні займенники. Question pronouns. Or another variant. Relative pronouns. Відносні займенники. So, why are so many? Let's find out. Вивчимо нові слова. Let's learn some words before we find out what I'm talking about. So, these are question words in Ukrainian. Хто, who, що, what, чий, whose, де, where, коли, when, скільки, how much or how many, котрий, which, який, what kind, which, як, how, чому, why, навіщо, what for, хіба, isn't it, doesn't it, or all the variants with this in English negative form of auxiliary verb in the beginning of the sentence. This is a little bit more conversational words, хіба, and we have another. На хіба. It's the synonym of навіщо. So, interesting variant, slang variant, conversational variant. But we need to know it. Okay, so these are question words. But why do we call it відносні займенники, relative pronouns? Because they can be not only in questions. So let's see. Питальні займенники і відносні займенники. So, question pronouns and relative pronouns. That's pretty easy. These pronouns just come not only in questions. They can combine two sentences. Like compare. Хто тобі потрібен? Who do you need? Я той, хто тобі потрібен. I'm the person who you need. Like in English, question pronouns and relative pronouns. That's it. Про що ти думаєш? What are you thinking about? Я знаю, про що ти думаєш. I know what are you thinking about. So here is this що, here is this question, this is relative. Here is question, here relative. Чий це зошит? It's a question. Whose copybook is this? Я не знаю, чий це зошит. I don't know whose copybook is this. So here we have like relative. And here question. Де ти живеш? Where do you live? Я можу показати, де ти живеш. I can show where you live. So, like in English, question words can become relatives. So, here it is. It's not difficult. Let's continue. And now we are going to the most unpleasant part for all Slavic languages people learning. And in Ukrainian we have here, it's відмінювання, changing of cases. And I have a huge video, a huge playlist even, about the changing of cases of pronouns. And there we have question words and relative pronouns and many other pronouns. Just feel free to watch them. I will put the link in the description and maybe somewhere here in the video, like a hint for you. So, feel free to watch them and understand more, because there I talk more about it and we have more exercises in those playlists. But now just look at this table that we have changes of pronouns only for such pronouns like чий, it's whose, хто, it's who, що, it's what, скільки, it's how many or how much. And який, what kind, which one. So for other we don't have cases for коли, it's when, де, it's where. We don't have cases for чому, it's why, and як, it's how, because these pronouns are relative to adverbs, and adverbs in Ukrainian don't change. But these pronouns, they change according to their, some of them even according to the gender. For example, like whose, чий, it's a grammatical masculine, чия, it's grammatical neuter. Чия, it's grammatical feminine, чиї, it's plural. And here we have some, yeah, nominative, чий, чиє, чия, чиї, genitive, чийого, чиєї, чиїх, dative, чийому, чиєму, чиї, чиїм, accusative, чий, чийого, чиє, чию, чиї, чиїх, instrumental, чиїм, чиєю, чиїми, locative, on на чиєму, на чиєму, на чиєму, на чиїм, на чиїй, на чиїх. More about it, just watch my playlist. Хто, who, nominative, хто, genitive, кого, dative, кому, accusative, кого, хто, instrumental, sorry, ким, locative, на кому. Що, чого, чому, що, чого, чим, на чому. Скільки, скількох, скільком, скільки, скількох, скільком, на скількох. And який, яка, яке, які, it changes according to their gender, який grammatical masculine, яка grammatical feminine, яке grammatical neuter, які plural. And it changes according to the case. So, the endings are pretty the same as in chi. So here you can see almost not any differences, just slight. So, який, якого, якому, який, якого, яким, на якому, на яким. Яка, якої, який, яку, якою, на якій. Яке, якого, якому, який, якого, яким, на якому, на яким. Які, яких, яким, які, яких, якими, на яких. So, I don't want to stop a lot on the changing of cases because I have a playlist, just watch it and you will understand more.
І залишилися лиш тими, ким були.
Потренуємося. Let's practice. I couldn't leave you without some practice. I remind you, I have more exercise in my classes, in my playlist about the cases of pronouns. But here just some proverbs for you to do and some questions to make, just to put inside some pronouns you have learned. So you can stop the video, do the exercise, and then we will check together. Відповіді, answers. So let's check. The first Ukrainian proverb, it's думай, що робити, а роби те, що надумав. Think what you are going to do and do what you think about. So here we have the pronoun що, what. Number two. Хто закінчує вчитися, той перестає жити. Who finishes learning, that stops living. So, here we have хто. Who. Розумний знає, що він не все може. A clever person knows that he can't do everything. Here we have the pronoun що, like relative. So, know what or know that. So, що. Не той багатий, хто багато прожив, а той, хто багато діла зробив. A rich is not that who lived a lot, but those who did a lot. Хто, who. Yes, here is like relative pronoun. Скільки людина не жила б, усього не виживе. How to translate it? That doesn't depend how much the person lives. She can't live everything. Oh, years. Yes. Скільки, how much, something like that. Here is relative. And here we have like question words. Коли відбудеться концерт? When will be the concert? Чому вона плаче? Тому що в неї був важкий день. Why is she crying? Because she had a bad day. Хто з'їв мій обід? Who has eaten my lunch? Петро. It's Петро. Навіщо тобі цей светр зараз літо? What for do you need this sweater? It's summer now. Скільки коштує ця машина? How much does this car cost? So, here are our answers. I hope everything is clear. If not, just write to me or watch my playlist and about pronouns and then write to me.
Чому тебе раніше не зустрів?
So, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it immensely like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was clear for you. Please write me some comments if it's not clear for you, and I will try to make another video. And of course, leave the comments with your ideas. I will be glad to hear them and to make a video for you according to your wishes, not only mine. And give this video a huge thumb up and subscribe to my channel not to miss any other videos, and we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.